Hey, good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Happy New Year's, y'all. Okay. Happy New Year's, Facebook. Eventually on YouTube. All right. Yes, indeed. Starting my New York in the right spirit. Doing my gameplay as always. Okay. Uh huh. Yeah. NBA 2K16. Uh huh. I know I could be playing 24, but that's okay. I don't know if y'all heard that. Excuse me. All right. Y'all heard it. Excuse me. All right. Yep. Yeah. It's Facebook and all that. Very interesting to see. You know. Uh huh. Yep. So y'all gonna watch this with me, okay? Interesting enough. All right. All right. Right here, say Happy New Year. Okay. Yep. As y'all watching this with me and stuff like that, you know. All right. Okay. Yeah. So y'all gonna watch this when it upload. Alrighty. Alrighty. Okay. They make a shot. Okay. Here's, here's, here's this shot. Didn't make it. Oh, slam dunk. Or should I say slammer jammer? That was a slammer jammer. I'm glad y'all enjoyed that slammer jammer. So y'all gonna watch that a little later. Okay. Okay. So again, let's go outside. Take a breather. All right. Hmm. How will this year be? Okay. Some will be the same thing. Some will be different. Some people will change. Some people will still be the same. Okay. Yep. Look at downtown New Orleans skyline. Okay. All right. As we look around and stuff like that. Okay. Once again, look at the top of the Superdome. All right. All them clouds right there. Hmm. I know y'all see them clouds. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. So I must say, y'all, it's. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I got disconnected. Fine day for me to get disconnected. Okay. All right. So it's a wonderful New Year's, and I'm starting New Year's off being disconnected on Facebook. You know. I apologize for that, y'all. Okay. All right. So that's all to it, y'all. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So all right then. Let's watch some more of this. Uh-huh. Watch some more of this. And the shot. Oh, that could have been a goaltend right there. Mm. Well, that's all to it though. Oh, okay. All right. All right. I'll see y'all later. About to go to Instagram live. All right. See you.